Introducing Woodpeckers Drill Press Table. This state-of-the-art design will help woodworkers drill holes in their workpieces with greater speed, accuracy, and repeatability than ever before. Woodpecker's complete drill press table package starts with a large 16 by 23 by 1 inch thick work area with a low friction non-glare microdot laminate surface. The table edges are covered with a durable high-density banding permanently bonded to the MDF core. Now remove the tear out, eliminating filler to reveal 4 leveling screws for a level working surface. Then notice a 3/8 inch centering hole allowing you to center the table to your drill press's drill chuck for a perfect alignment of your table. Your table comes with 2 embedded dual tracks, which are secured by 8 1/4-20 bolts, which eliminates pullout, and each is laser engraved with empirical scales for precise fence positioning. The 36-inch long dual track fence with a laser engraved center type scale makes it easy to use from both sides of the table. The dual track feature allows for stop options like the flip stop or L stop. The new and improved fence bracket now makes it easier than ever to adjust the fence from left to right, or front to back. The beauty of the dual track fence allows you to adjust the fence from side to side, so you can increase the stop range to a full 28 inches. The package includes 2 1-inch flip stops, which can be accurately positioned on the fence, allowing for quick multi-hole drilling of your workpiece. Also included are 2 hold-down clamps with non-slip tips to lock down material for heavy drilling operations. A new optional addition is the DP3 drill press fence. This 3/8 of an inch thick by 3 by 3 by 23.5 inch long fence is machined to give an accurate 90 degrees from the table. It's designed for supporting stock on edge and is great for drilling out mortises. Woodpeckers now offers our new fence bracket kit for our customers who already own our drill press table. The upgrade kit is easy to install and great to use. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the Woodpeckers drill press table is manufactured in our plant just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.